So here we are today fixing leaks in 3/16 tubing. Here we have a 3/16 lateral line coming to a main line, and as you can see there's no bubbles in the line. And this line is good. There is no leaks in this line. This is the way it should look. Some gas bubbles get trapped here where it goes into the saddle fitting. But up above it is a lateral line that does have a leak. And if we can get it focused here, you can see you got liquid, bubble, liquid, bubble, liquid, bubble. Okay, somewhere this line is sucking a lot of air into the line. So this line actually enters the main line down here, and you can see how much air is coming into that line and going into the saddle fitting here. So what we'll do is we walk the main line until we find a lateral line that has a lot of air in it, like this one, and then we'll walk this line until we find where the bubbles stop, and we'll find our leak that way. So as you can tell in spots, there's a lot of air in it. Okay, so here it is coming through a drop line. And generally this isn't too hard to do. You can generally walk a line pretty quick and figure out where the bubbles are coming from. So up here, not too bad. Get on the other side of this tree. And here we can tell we have bubbles here, solid sap here. So if you look right here, you can see there's a tiny little hole where a critter has chewed on it. So I'm going to fix that leak. Turn my camera off to my good assistant. Take a two-handed tool. That leak right in the center. Take the cutters, trim out just a little bit, and as you can see here, the sap just running out of there from the uphill side. Hand this back to you. Thank you, sir. Going to use a little 3/16 connector, just a splice. That back in there. So I'll get one end started in there just a little bit. Let's get the other. I'll have to get a new one. One end started in there. Slowly squeeze them together, and when I do that, we will eliminate that line from leaking air. And you can see now it's not sucking air anymore. Now if we hurry up and we get back down here, we can catch those air bubbles. There. They're about 6-8 feet downstream of us, and you can see that's the last. If I can get it focused here, that is the last of the bubbles, and we'll give that just a little bit of time, and that line will clear out. All those bubbles will make it to the main line, and this line will be good. If you have multiple leaks in a lateral line, sometimes you have to fix a leak, go on, and then come back to it and find another and walk it again once the bubbles clear out. So generally speaking, fixing 3/16 tubing is pretty easy to do. Once the trees start to run, you can just generally walk up your main line and look for bubbles. So this is Brian and Alex from Maple Lines Farms, and have a good day.